Jerry Lewis typing without a typewriter, which seemed so outlandish just a few years ago. But sadly, we have a passing to note here tonight, the typewriter itself. The folks at The Atlantic are reporting the last typewriter manufacturer on Earth has shut down. The factory was in Mumbai, India. The company was 60 years old. It opened in the time of Nehru. They sold tens of thousands of typewriters every year until the typewriter was just killed off by the computer. There are still typewriter repair specialists out there for the diehards who like to pound it out old school.